Every home service business has the same challenge. There's always more to do than time to do it. Between serving customers, managing jobs, creating estimates, following up with leads, and handling marketing, business owners wear a lot of hats every day. TurboClients.com was created to help simplify those responsibilities with an AI-powered sales and homeowner communication platform built specifically for home service companies. Whether you operate a pressure washing business, landscaping company, cleaning service, junk removal operation, moving company, or another local service business, TurboClients provides AI-assisted tools designed for real-world business tasks. Generate website content, create marketing ideas, plan local SEO campaigns, draft customer follow-ups, build professional proposals, estimate jobs, and communicate with homeowners all from one platform. The goal is simple. Give business owners access to practical AI tools that can help support their sales, marketing, and customer communication efforts. To learn more about the platform and explore its features, visit TurboClients.com today.